Hello, I'm Peter from Banqsoft, and today I'm going to talk about AI-driven user interfaces. And in the beginning of computing, there were commands like this. Some of you remember those green screens and these commands. And the thing with these commands is that you had to write them very correct. You couldn't write any character mistake or anything, otherwise you would get error message like the one in below there, and probably an error message that you didn't understand. So it was you had to go back to the manuals to see how to get this right. And then we got these graphical user interfaces, these self-instructing graphical interfaces where we could just navigate our way around in the application and find the functionality we needed. But eventually, these also got very crowded and maybe difficult to navigate. And we had to also get training on how to use these applications that we use today. So maybe we can go back to the command prompt and just type things like this. And if we do that, then we will get the account overview in this case. So maybe we should try it and see, can we actually talk to an application? So I would like to ask, what can you do for me?
I'm here to help you with a variety of tasks. Here are some things I can do. 1. Account management. Help you view your account overview, transaction history, and
That
manage
is great. I have to interrupt you because we don't have so much time, but can you show me the account overview?
The account overview has been displayed for you. You should be able to see details such as your current balance, recent transactions, and other important account information.
That is amazing. I actually need to transfer some from my savings account to my spending account. Can you transfer 10 bank, please?
It seems that you have access to the following accounts: spending42.testnet, savings42.testnet, and trading42.testnet. Could you please confirm which account you would like to transfer the 10 BankU tokens from and to?
From the saving to the spending account.
The transfer of 10 BankU tokens from your savings account to your spending account has been successful.
That is awesome that you were able to understand me, even though I didn't say it correctly. And I had to change my mind, but that's awesome. Can you also please, I actually need some more money in my trading account. Can you fix that?
To fund your trading account with BankU tokens, I can initiate a funding request. Could you please confirm the name of the account you'd like to fund? If it's the trading42.testnet account, I'll proceed with the request.
Yes, that is great. That's the correct account. So can you please fund it?
The funding request for your trading account
is awesome. I can even see that the balance is changed. So very cool. Can you also show me the history of the savings account? Can you do that?
Here is the transaction history for your savings account. 1/2025, 014, 11:53 a.m.
Are you actually able to show it in a nice overview, the history of the account?
The account history for your savings account is now displayed in a detailed overview. You can see all the transactions in a clear and organized format.
That is awesome. Can you, let's speak another language. Let's switch to French. Pouvez-vous m'afficher l'aperçu de mes comptes, s'il vous plaît?
La vue d'ensemble de votre compte est maintenant affichée. Vous pouvez voir les détails tels que votre solde actuel, les transactions récentes et d'autres informations importantes. Si vous avez des questions...
Merci beaucoup. So that's a small glimpse of what we can do here. Let's go back to the presentation. And yeah, so this is really powerful, and it also raises some questions because this is scary too. Do we actually want to trust one single big company, for example, to be able to do all this stuff for us, to execute these actions on our behalf? So I think, for us to trust this, we need to be in control. We need also privacy. We need to hold the keys of the AI so that we can actually control which AI agent that does what. And to go a bit more into that, under the hood in this demo, there was actually a smart contract on a blockchain, which did all the transactions. So what we saw here was kind of a small core banking system on a blockchain. And that means that we have this transaction security. We are controlling these keys as users because these keys are on our device. It's on my machine here. And we can also have the full auditability of these transactions. And that also goes to the AI. When blockchain is combined with controlling the AI and the AI models are connected to the blockchain, then these are kind of unlocked from the corporate walled gardens. And it's we as users who control which AI agents that we want to trust. And we can also kind of control when we give keys for signed transactions using the AI. That will be controlled by us as users. And these AI operations, they are also fully transparent. So we can also inspect how the AI works, how the AI agent works, because it's deployed to the blockchain network. And we can see what data it uses and the permissions that it has. And I can also, if you go to Blockchain Explorer, you can actually see these transactions that we just made. So you can see them here, for example, these transactions that we did. So yeah, so that was it. And thank you for watching this brief demo of AI-driven user interfaces and blockchain smart contracts banking system. Thank you.